Please register now. Please register now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Picked up 3 on the long side.
Nice.
They're starting to battle here.
Yeah, there's a bit of a battle going on. It's a tight little auction. Very range bound, considering in the first 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
One observation I
3.
made yesterday was that they were trading back into a lot of these ranges. That doesn't mean they don't break out, but I think yesterday it was very mean reversion heavy.
Here, if they get below 3, it's going in.
Yeah.
But that has a big fat fucking reclaim.
Yeah.
Watching that dwell. So they definitely swept that out.
Yeah, sweep and then a defense. So we've got a little bit of reclaim right here. Another big move down. I don't think they're going to defend it this time. It looks like they want something down there. Could be wrong.
All right,
though.
sorry. I couldn't hear anything you said for the last minute because my girlfriend was screaming about the cats because they have shit hanging off their ass. Like, not shit, but
Dingleberries.
Our tree is like shedding these like seed pods.
Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about. Those little stickies, like they're starting to bloom almost.
Nah, it's like these green soft pods that put out pollen. They look like caterpillars.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
And the cats are hairy, so like his ass is just like.
I'm gonna pulse check 94 short. It looks like they want to break out this level.
I think I'm gonna run 100 millisecond.
Stop run first. A lot of sellers came in at the lows there. They were trying to push it through, so it looks like they're gonna get squeezed out.
Have you put a trade on yet, or you're just checking?
No, I'm just checking.
I'm gonna run 100 millisecond chart. Different screen though. Actually, no, I'll run it. Try to get my dwells. A lot of sell side up there. 100 millisecond, not 10. There we go.
Sellers
Rotation up down here.
Yeah. I'm gonna pulse check long 94.
If it gets under there, you're gonna need a bail. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I'd probably work it right there for the 6 ticks or so.
Check this out. You had good dwell, right? And those 94s. I'm throwing a screenshot in. Come on.
There's so much sell delta here. If this doesn't sustain on aggressive selling, I think it could suck back up.
Dude, I think it's gonna keep pushing. For now, I don't know what structure lies below.
Yeah, I'm not predicting anything. That is not my game.
87's 80. This 87.25 is heavy dwell. That's gonna be. You could maybe lean on that to short. Let's check it. Unless they get above it.
There's some buy delta coming in on ES.
Ooh, they did. They fucking ran it.
More sellers rejoining here. Could get a second leg. A little bit of diverging here. The sellers are really trying to push this in.
Picked up a tick short 83.25. Kind of stalling on me. Don't like that.
Yeah. They're putting in a big divergence here.
And they're on the upper end of this. There it goes.
This move has a lot of volume. This could be setting up for capitulation.
Have we already cooped that
Compression up.
Monday morning move up yet or no? On the higher.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Tried to get along there around 77.25. It had a good dwell high.
I wonder if they're going to pivot here.
I was a little too slow to it.
Oh, they're getting on the upper end of that.
I'll count that as good read. That 74 long would have been cooking right now. 15 points.
Dude, continuation? We'll see. Unless they sweep it. Check 85.25 long. I'd be wanting to bail that. Battle here. Major. Buy and sell. Uh-oh. What happened?
There was a 9:45 news.
that's stop run. Hmm. Wanted to get long at 85.75, but man, this little choppy bullshit here is. $87 or yeah, 87 even could possibly rotate to get down there. It's compressing onto it. I wonder if they're gonna slip range in here. They blew it out. To that entire 88 area up here. Super resistance. But they're blowing through it a bit. Still it rotated. Big selling divergences up there.
Back down into the range. Aggressive selling here. Could sustain this.
A78 heavy stall pattern.
500 lot sell came out there. I'm wondering if he'll get squeezed. It's too early to tell, really. Dwell low and it's not going lower. I'm going to try the 80-25 long.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad.
Trying to work the exit
May
now.
put a stop tight though, right there.
Yeah, I am. Took it for a one-tick win. I didn't like that we failed, and that looks like it was a good cut too. If I didn't get the one-tick win, it would have hit my stop for 3 ticks. So I think that was a good probe. That being said, I think that setup idea failed. I think they are going to put in a second leg here because the selling's just way too aggressive. At least for now.
Yep. Took a big loss, was short there. I had a feeling I'd get clapped. just that type of environment where you can get clapped a lot.
Ugh.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Break even. A lot of stop runs getting triggered. '83s has a lot of stop potential. Oh, got a point. Short. Pushing into the, just like leaning into the stops.
Yeah.
I mean, they're just getting fucking hit.
It was a 300 lot seller that came out there, and it looks like they might want to continue that way.
There's definitely some stops right above us. They wick it.
There was a lot of buyers up there at the top. I think they could get squeezed to the low side. I'm going to pulse check short, 80.75, but I have the slip against.
Big care. I think they could hit the stop above us. There's one right in this 82s.
Yeah,
worked.
Trade would have worked, but I would have needed slip favor. I would have given, if I took that trade, I would have flat keyed it, and it would have been a loss, even though the idea worked. So I need to make sure I adjust for that and have slip favor on my trades. What I liked about that one was we kind of had a range favor. We had a reclaim and validation, and a bunch of buyers came in at that 83 level, and they were immediately underwater. They poured in up there and then immediately sellers started coming in.
Four tick win, long.
Nice. Yeah, I see.
There was
I see
a-
the dwell. I see that dwell that you joined there.
Well, yeah, 79, and then I knew they could test 8150s because that's where the next dwell zone was,
Yeah.
which they didn't stop run it. It looks like they might try to stop run into it. I was gonna check 8025 there. Could get ran through to 83s, maybe. I don't know if they're gonna pivot. There it goes.
Good call. Yeah. Sellers joining up here. There's a battle.
Wonder if it can run all the way down the 79s from here.
It could. I mean, these buyers are just stepping in, but it's not going any higher. They could be setting up for a squeeze again.
Divergences are all flipped. Nope, they hit the
There's
stop.
breakout. There's an old divergence level up here at 90. I'm gonna try the short 88. I didn't get filled on it though. I think they just want to take this quick reclaim back. Like, I wouldn't hold it beyond here. I'd probably take it off at 86 if I was in it.
See if they can pivot off 83s. Oh, 83s is such a stout area.
Yeah, I could see it.
They're like, yeah, nah, yeah, you're getting fucked. Yeah, nah, yeah, you're getting fucked, like the Australians say. Yeah, nah, yeah. I got like 8 ticks long.
There's a
I had took some risk.
there's a 10 o'clock news coming up, just so you know.
It's heavy dwells are getting ran through. I figured there'd be a pivot in there somewhere. It's just super heavy. I could see it continuing. You got another stop up here on 89s. Let's see if they get their shit knocked in a little bit. These dwell spots are getting whack-a-doodled. Unless they're horribly huge, but even then they get probed on. Seems like there's other pivots up here.
Buyers stepping in here. They're trying to put in a continuation, it looks like. There's the 10 o'clock news.
Now this is where it goes straight up or down.
Sheesh.
Did it go straight up?
Yeah.
Of course. 30-second chart. I need to look at that higher time frame. I can't see shit.
Yeah, I've got a tiny little 3-minute on the left side of my screen, and that has been giving me some pretty good context.
High dwell up here, wherever it is. They're schlitzing in it. They could pivot, though.
There was a 1,000 lot that came in way up there at 98 even.
Yeah, they've been coming in a lot since yesterday.
See if we can get some high dwell for me to fade into for a short, but I don't think it's going to give it to me. There's high dwell. I'm going to try 94.
You're gonna have, if you're gonna do anything, you want to lean on 95 shorts.
Yeah.
But you want just put a 2-tick, 3-tick stop or some shit.
Yeah, that's what I did. I tried the 94.50, took it off for a small loss. It was a good probe. I think the idea could still work, but it's just there's a battle going on up here, and I don't want to get caught on the wrong side of it, you know?
Yep. This is where you need to figure out which specific tick has the highest dwell, which is 94s. 90, somewhere in these 94s. There might be a short there. I fucking couldn't get it. Thank you. That's where hybriding will help. I mean, they could. So they're pushing through that. They get like these late pushes, but there's definitely a stop run up here. We'll see if they stop run low first. I almost want to check the long on 96. I don't think I'd get in though. Oh, that would be it. But are they going to hit the stop run below first? It just has like super bad, like, the way it pushes, it over shoves in certain areas a bit, then rotates. I don't know where on this would be the highest dwell. Probably somewhere in the middle of it. Somewhere right in the 96s. They keep staying on the upper end of the spectrum.
Yeah. They're trying to consolidate up here. There are a lot of buyers. Whether or not those buyers...
Break even 96.75. Tried along it on that upper end, but man, they consolidating hard on 96.75. I think it might still be good for the long, even though it's probing in there a lot. Oop. Got tag 97.25 long. I mean, I'll try to get out of it. 98.75. Not bad. How are you sitting?
Down 2 ticks.
Okay. It's not too bad.
That short idea I had definitely worked. Just my execution, I was in the middle of a slip range.
Which one?
I
The
think-
last one at 94s or whatever it was?
Yeah, 94.50.
Like from minutes ago?
Yeah.
Hours ago?
That idea probably would have worked for 3 points.
You got to watch that real thick area, and you want to make sure you're just like, it's accepting. Like, look for the thickest area
Mm-hmm.
possible. Like, and make sure that it's accepting on the side you want to trade, and you want to be kind of getting from the midpoint of it. I guess they blew all that shit out.
Snap up.
They got stop ran down. They just cleared that crap out. In the 96s. It's okay to come in with a slightly higher loss rate if you can somehow nail big momentous trade
Mm-hmm.
at some point. Or you might need to lean into like the 30-second.
Yeah. Yeah, my read so far has been really good today. It's just my execution.
Too slow.
Yeah. But I'll count that as a win because you and me both know that one of my biggest problems is building context, building narrative, and today my narrative has been almost 100%.
Yeah. So fast. It's really hard to trade. This might roll back up off 4.
Yeah, there was another 1,000 lot buy at 10 even.
I need to get on the upper end of this 4 and stay on it. Damn it, that was like a free.
Sellers are trying to join this. Do have a bit of reclaim below from 4. I don't know, sellers are still getting squeezed, so I don't know if this can rotate in. happens at the highs here. There's a lot of selling coming in on stocks here. If we get a nice high dwell, I might short into it for the probe. Risk would have to be super tight.
Let's see where the highest dwell zones are. I think. The highest is just going to be almost the middle
Yeah.
from oh 550 to 675s. So pick your poison.
Yeah. I think they
You could probably just trade around that if you're gonna probe at it.
Yeah, I think there's gonna be a short down to O's even. There it is.
What were you hesitant?
Yeah, I just couldn't find a good area to execute.
Look, I mean, you're just gonna have to like put a stop or something. But look, like on a 30-second, it'll be easier. Look for the bars that overlap the most.
Mm-hmm.
So that those specific bars have the most overlap. So therefore, the most dwell, right?
Yeah. Let me screenshot this.
It's just you.
I've been trying to
It's so
screenshot all of my good reads. So that way I kind of know at the end of the day, like, hey man, you did have a really good read, even if I end up red on the day, you know?
Like the next highest area will be 96s, which they actually are pushing through. Then 88s. 88s even. Interesting, they overshot.
I'm really, really proud of my read today. And my patience, not over trading or chasing or anything like that.
Yeah, you need the hybrid system will help you get into that shit. Getting a high dwell. I think they could, yeah, suck back in a bit. I dwell here as well. Short divergences. Is there going to be a stop run above us? Or are they going to pivot clean? I believe they're going to shove to 98, maybe. Got like, I don't know how many ticks long off the 9350s or some shit. 5 ticks. So you can see like here I'm plotting the highest dwelled areas. Within reason, I don't want to go back too far in certain areas. Like that prior consolidation. There it is into the 98s like I thought. Somebody's getting stopped. I'm getting a high dwell on right down the middle. Right there. Stop run through that. So we know that's a stop run for sure. How quick it shoved. Gonna shrink my dwell here. This is the specific area. So right above us might be a little stop run, like 99.75 to 150s. There it is. You all right? You're quiet.
Yeah, I just don't have read right now. It's slowing down a little bit.
It's all right.
Waiting for some higher time frame shit.
Still a high dwell area here. Check long. 75s. I'd bail. I don't know if I could bail for. I'd bail for damage on that. I'd check long, potentially again. I'd wait right there, somewhere in there. Ones, one evens. That's coming back in. That would need to be break even.
Yeah, a lot of buyers trying to chase this up. Makes you wonder if they're going to get squeezed.
I still think there's check longs up here. There's a lot of sell side divergence though, but then I just still think there's check longs. It's a bit conflicting. It's like one thing is saying something, the other is saying the other. There they go. They got it.
Nice, yeah, a little breakout there.
It's like what side of the dwell is it like floating on the most?
Yeah.
You know, when you get that loose pop-up effect, sort of. The shit down below, though, these ones are going to be a big-ass stop run if they do get in there. That's such a fat fucking area, though. Let's see. You got 06s on deck that need to be fucking probed at. I wouldn't be surprised if they blitz 06 to 7. We'll see, though. It's like it's getting squeezed here. Big stop run. Seems like it's starting to mean revert the way you like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.
I think you could probably play the reclaim hits, triples.
Yeah, I think there could be one too. I just don't know what I don't like what stocks are doing right now. Stocks are selling off huge. I don't
91 is a huge pocket of buying now. 93s, 4s, 5s.
Yeah.
Highest dwell is going to be right here. At a fair value in here. This 98 even is your pretty solid little area. It's staying on the lower end. We'll see if they can suck back in. That could be a stop run back up potentially. If they can get to the upper end of that. They are staying on the lower side. push into a higher dwell zone. See if they rotate back off of it, or if they jam, fuck it. There's a rotation.
Yeah, retest the lows.
You got to stop running this 98 section. They're staying below it.
A lot of aggressive selling coming in here. And it's diverging quite a bit on the ES.
I think there's a stop run, right? I mean, it is very... Then again, this doesn't seem too stop runny. Let's see if they're still holding to the lower end of the spectrum. Yeah, they're still holding the lower end of the spectrum. There it is. Fucking missed it. It's all right.
Yeah, definitely a mean reverty kind of environment for sure.
Yeah, I mean, what you'd like to play is here.
Mm-hmm.
That little stop right up there. There's another one right above us. Are they going to be able to get it, or are they going to suck back in?
It's a little breakout to the upside.
Could be an overshoot. I'd be checking short.
Yeah, I agree with that. A bunch of sellers joining here.
See where the highest dwell is.
Defending. Could be a consolidation. I don't know. It's kind of a coin flip right now.
Yeah. It's the dwell's drifting upward.
$100 buyer came in there. He could get squeezed.
Yeah, I think he got hit already.
Yeah. I think there could be a short. Tried to get 675 and missed it. That's all right. Let's see if a dwell sets up. I would like to have mean favor.
I can't tell where the highest dwell zone is. It's going to be like the fuck on 650s would have been the line in the sand.
Yeah. I'm going to draw that one up again.
You're being very hesitant.
Yeah, just trying to keep it conservative today. If you remember last week, I had an issue with over trading a couple days. Good read, though. Definitely count that as good read. I realize that good read don't mean shit if you can't execute on it, but One wasn't built today.
You probably have slip ranging here. Got it. Short side. Look on my screen. Look, I'm marking out the dwells on the 32nd.
Oh yeah.
These are going to be the areas that have the most bar overlap. Technically, I'm not measuring back here, but right, these have the most overlap.
Yeah.
I want that line to shrink so I can just have a tighter stop. If it's too wide, it's too tight or too loose. So right at, you have an exact area that you can lean into right here. 0325s. And you have fucking range advantage set up on it too. For the long.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Hesitated to click on it. But that right up here, this 350, 325 area is just too good to long. Or not to long. I'll do it. I'll gladly take a stop if it doesn't work. Shit. Did take the stop. Fine. And they push through it.
Move up into highs. They're not really chasing though. There was some decent buying moving up into this move. I think it could be setting up for her consolidation breakout.
Maybe.
But we're not really in breakout territory is the problem. There's no precedence of breakouts working today. It's a very mean reverty kind of day.
A lot of green reclaim reloads across the board. They slam it.
What's selling coming in? I'll be interested to see if these sellers coming in can't push it lower. In which case, I do think there could be a breakout. It looks like they are going to be able to pull it lower.
A big ass stop run right below us if they get through there. All right, it's going. And you have those 93s down there.
Second leg. Was a big seller down there. Could potentially get squeezed.
Looks like a slip range.
Yeah. Nice defense there.
Knock those guys out.
Stepping in here, trying to chase it up. This move does look pretty sustained for the time being.
Yeah. For now. Well, they're definitely hitting this run below us. Gotta work. It's like it's definitely getting range advantage at this point. There's no ands, ifs, or buts around it.
Yeah, for sure. was a nice reversal right there.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Right? Teens have a stop run. I'm gonna drill some stop runs.
I'm just gonna run and piss real quick. I'll be right back.
They're rotating really well right there.
What did he got hit right there? Back down to the bottom of the range.
Potential stop on 75's up. If they can hit it. A little bit. A little bit. Nothing too crazy.
That was pretty crazy.
Wow. Yeah, I was in that too, but I cut it for a tick.
This
Is that
almost
news or
looks-
is that bullshit?
It almost looks news driven. It's gotta be. Move like that. I don't see anything on my end.
Man, it's so quick. Fucking shit, dude. I went for 32.25 long. Just drilling this son of a bitch, and it worked, but man, it's already back before I can fucking blink an eye. God damn. For real. 30.
Yeah, I don't really see any news on that.
Yeah, so it's bullshit.
That was the highest volume print of the day. That's what it is.
What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. This is old. It's from like 15 minutes ago. Straight over news. Yeah, that might have just been technical.
Whatever the fuck is going on here is a solid wall from hell. On 28. I don't know if... I mean, they could stop running it.
There's buyers chasing this up. Buyers could get squeezed. Slip ranging though. Depends if they defend this bottom of the slip range.
Fucking super squared looking and shit.
Sellers piling in. Some pretty aggressive selling.
Stop below us.
Dwell high. I'm gonna try the 1875 short. Keep it tight.
Yeah, but it's coming back.
Yeah, took that off for a
Oh
small
my God.
loss.
It's a big loss, dude. You got... It's just... You gotta have... It's just... It's too fast.
Ma'am. Need the slip favor for sure.
I'm not... I'm getting fucking wrecked on drilling it. It's just the point where you can't do shit.
Top of the slip range. Buyer's definitely trying to chase it up. little bit of selling.
If you don't have an auto stop or any of that, if you don't have a stop automatically coming in, you're going to take too big of a loss. Just too fast.
That's a nice buying delta. I dwell, but buyers aren't chasing. I want to see buyers chase this. Here's the short I was looking for. Big selling coming out there. Setting up a new range. It could want to suck back up, but in my opinion, I think that's already over. It would be chasing at this point. Yeah, that's the move I was looking for. Again, good read. Just couldn't execute on it.
You gotta have a stop, and it's just look how too fucking fast it is, man. If you're wrong, and you're gonna blow your account.
Yeah.
Without a stop. There's just a point where you can't compete. A hybrid assist is gonna help. There's just no fucking way around it.
Mm-hmm.
Great opportunities, but you can't do anything about it because it's too fast. Look at it come right back in too, man. No, like how many seconds? Like a minute, half. 90 seconds, already back in the fucking thing. I know there's a stop below us. Pick up a point. Just stop right above us. Got that. The highest dwelled areas to the blowout. The problem is if you're not auto, if you don't have a stop, you're just getting, like I said, you're just going to get blown the fuck out.
Yeah. Yeah, and it doesn't quick too.
You're either running loose or you know. See, there'd be like times where like I'd shorted here, took a break even, but I would like the short to retry, and I'm just too slow for it.
Yeah.
I need something to auto execute. Like, get me in there. I'll take 3 break evens in a row for you to get that fucking slam. It's great opportunity, but you're not fast enough to participate in it.
Yeah.
That's the problem. I mean, you're a low frequency trader. It's you need to be having some sort of ability to have this shit come in quick for you.
Yeah.
There's just no fucking way around it. Good opportunities, but you're just gonna sit there and watch it because it's too much, too fast.
I like the buyers are trying to chase this up right now, but it's not going any higher. Problem is that could be a coin flip, and then it could be consolidating. It could be pushing for a consolidation. Buyers here, but it's not pushing any higher. Got that nasty reclaim below us. I think it could want to take that back.
Yeah, I tried to hit 24.25. I'd already want to be out of it for a point, and it's too late. Like I physically cannot react. It has to be auto executed. This 24.75 or whatever looks okay. You know, if I knew exactly the specific tick where the dwell is, I could, even as an manual trader, it would be way easier instead of like a whole fucking slurry of. Fucking area right above us. See, the best places are the play that go so fast you can't react. Any
Yeah.
area where you're able to physically trade are some of the worst spots.
Yeah, you almost got to get you got to get like limited into it, wicked into it.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a high-speed club and you're not in it. Is this moving on 0 contracts up? Greg, did that move on from 22 up on nothing? It's a high-speed club and you're not in it. Hello?
Yo.
Hey, guys, I'll be quiet. There's a little bit of news, that's all. Iran said there are talks reported by
Don't mean
CNN.
shit, it just means the market's trading faster.
I agree. And also the Gulf states are looking at military consequences. So I get it. It's the same bullshit we've been doing. But yeah, the hyperfast moves. It was a little thick in there for a minute. About 5 minutes, it stayed in that 25 area.
Well, I
25.
swear to fuck it's moving on no order flow at times, but I could be wrong.
No, we're watching the same thing, brother. I got 3s, 30s, that order flow chart in my dome. I'm watching what you're watching. I mean, I don't have your program, but I wouldn't even be able to use it correctly. I mean, there's a lot of 1s, 3s, 5s. There's 21 contracts that just traded down. But here's a real thin bar right here. This is super thin. I mean, it's a little size at 29.25 up there. A guy up there at 30. They smacked. No, they didn't get to him yet. He stayed. They got him. It's 189 contracts. I don't know. I'm fast, but I'm not able to make any money here.
Yeah, for sure.
Been just I'm just blowing evals and being an idiot with my credit card. Stupid. I'm positive. I've been trying to auto program all night, but I don't know what to put in it. But I'm learning. Lavender sent some stuff to get the spreadsheet to automatically enter on a 3 or 30-second auction vista that Chronic has. And yeah, Magic Taco might be right.
What?
If you put that delta on a 3 or a 30, and then you put it on some type of oscillator, you might get an entry there that you can manage.
Oh, we already talked to Joe what I want. I mentioned what I need. I don't want an oscillator. I want to know the exact fucking tick.
You want to be there. Yeah, I know, brother. Me too. I told you. I'm not broke. I've got all the money in the world to buy every eval we all need. You want to get 10 TFD accounts for everybody? I can do it. It's just I have to be able to execute and make money for everybody, and I can't even do it to make money for me.
Well, we're working on something.
I know, but you don't owe me anything. So if you're going to get a written contract from me, nothing that's going to be against you. It's going to be I'm going to fucking pay you, or actually Josh will take care of it. But yeah, I need your help bad. I'm fucking desperate. So I'm not even firing away at this. I'm trading in sim. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I'm simming too because it's a little too much.
Yeah, I saw your results yesterday. Amazing. And I add
not really. It was too big of a fight. It kind of sucked.
Yeah, but I add them up to see where you're. Like I can't get inside your head, but we all agree that you're godly with your ability to keep your emotions in check. But I see where you're at, where you're floating. Up 300, down 400, up 1,100, down 1,100, +2, minus. I see what you're doing, and I cannot be that fast. Or I think I tilt too much when it does this, I'm talking to Harvey, too, because he's been trying to help me. It's getting a little bit more stable here, but the 25s are sticky, and 25s at every level have been sticky. You're going sideways here hard on your 30, if that's what I'm looking at. Oh, actually, it's 100 milliseconds.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you, bro. I don't want to fuck up your day. I'm just
trying to drill quickly, but I'm still too slow when I'm fucking moving as aggressively as I can.
I can't get my mouse on it. Now it's slowing down, so you can do it if you want to try reclaim up. But I don't know. There's heavy selling here on the delta, but there's a little bit of a reclaim up there.
Yeah.
They might flush these 25s too. It's been floating in this area now for 3 minutes. Good push up. You got large size above you at 30 again. They never got the 30 guy. Well, they did. I'm sorry. They got the 30 guy, and he's back again, another person. So for me, I'm looking for a flush down and reload to get those guys, but they're going to grind it instead.
I'm just practicing hitting where the stop runs are, so the most consolidated areas.
Yeah, I'm watching everything you're doing, and I record it too. Look at how see how it's falling back from that large order? So I would be willing to try to take a reclaim into it, but they might flush 25s, and it's going to be an expensive hit. So I just long 28. But
I would say 28 could stop run low if they get through it, and it just did. I'm trying to get a break even. See, the problem is I want to fucking get out of that fucking trade. And by the time I go from one side of the DOM to the next, it's already floated on me. It's like...
Yep. I'm just trying to hold it to get this guy up here the old way. Now I'm out at 31.
That's the thing, like an auto